Hi, I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian, and today I want to talk about daily expressions everyone should know. So these are expressions that we use every day. And the reason I want to do them is because often people learn a very formal English in school, in secondary and primary schools, and maybe expressions that are not so common in everyday speak. So these are some expressions that we use every day, and they are useful to incorporate into your vocabulary so that you can try to use them in conversation with another English speaker. So let's go. Hang in there is very common, and it means it's an expression to mean encouragement when someone is going through something difficult. So for example, if I have an exam tomorrow, someone could say to me, hang in there, you're almost finished. The exam starts tomorrow. In Spanish, you would say ánimo. So hang in there, you're almost finished, okay? So don't give up, don't stop. Keep going, okay? Very useful. The next one is cheer up. We say this when someone looks sad or when someone is sad. We say cheer up, everything's okay. Like be happy, okay? If you want to know how to say something in English, this is the question. How do you say this in English? How do you say ánimo in English? Okay. What does this mean? Is asking for the significance of something. So what does hang in there mean? You want an explanation of hang in there. Okay. Or what does it mean when you say hang in there? Is another way to say that. Continuing with mean. So what do you mean? You're asking for an explanation of what someone said. Okay, or if you want to explain what you say, you can say, what I mean is, and then you give your explanation. Okay. Give me a sec. Give me a minute. This is asking someone to give you some time and then you will return, okay? So for example, if you're in the middle of class and the doorbell rings and you need to answer it, you could say, give me a minute, give me a sec, or simply 1 sec. I'll be right back, something like that, okay? So those are some expressions. Some more expressions include, it's up to you. This has two meanings. The most common meaning for me is, it's your decision. For example, do you want to go to the cinema or go for lunch? And I could say, it's up to you. It's your decision. You decide. It can also mean that it's your responsibility to do something. So it's up to you to make sure the project is finished in time. It's up to you to help the children with your homework. It's your job. It's your responsibility. So two meanings there. Under the weather is a strange little English expression, and it means that you're not feeling very well. I'm not going to work today because I feel under the weather. Or, I'm sorry I couldn't go yesterday. I was feeling under the weather and I went to bed early. So you're not feeling very well. It usually doesn't mean that you're very ill. It could be just a little cold or very tired or a headache, but you're not feeling 100%, you're feeling under the weather. If something is on the house, the establishment is paying for it. If you go to a bar and you get a drink and the bar doesn't charge you, you don't have to pay, the barman or barwoman could say, it's on the house. We are paying, okay? It's free. If you're with someone and they say, it's on me, or I'll get this, it means that they will pay. Be careful here, you do not say, I invite you. We use invite before an event. So for example, I might say, I invite you to dinner on Friday. This means that we're going to dinner in a restaurant and I will pay, or you come to my house for dinner, depending on the context. So we only use invite before the event, or I invite you to the wedding, or you are invited to the wedding, for example. But after the meal or after the paid event, someone can say, it's on me, or I will get this, to mean I will pay. You can also say I will pay, which is easier, but just in case, some extra expressions. If someone says watch out, they mean be careful. There is an immediate danger. So maybe you're going on the road and a car is coming. Someone would say, watch out. Okay? So be careful, immediate danger. You are in the way, or I am on the way. So two similar expressions, but they mean different things. If someone says to you, you are in the way, it means that you are blocking their path, or you're blocking access to something. You're not allowing them free access. So for example, I want to go from here to the hall and someone is standing in the door. I could say, you're in the way. Can you move? Okay. If someone says that they are on their way, it means they are traveling at this moment to you. Okay. Or to somewhere else. For example, I'm on my way to the dentist. I'm in the car driving to the dentist. Or I'm on my way to work. I'm in the car, on the bus, walking, whatever, but I'm traveling in the direction of work. So in the way and on the way. So that's it for daily expressions everybody should know. I don't know how many there are there, but quite a lot. If you need to refresh them, just repeat the video again and try to incorporate one or two in your speaking. It will help you to sound more natural and more like a native speaker if that's what you want. So I hope that was useful. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want to make your own specific personalized English program, just download the free ebook in the links below. And you have a free challenge with that gives you step-by-step instructions to make a plan for your English, improve your English in your own way and in a way that fits into your lifestyle. So good luck with that.